Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop no people found error on iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your AirDrop has no found people found, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to open up your settings and here you have to go for general, and here you just have to go for software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date or there is no any update available, or if you have any update, try to update your software. And then you have to go for transfer or reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode and it will reset all your network settings. So once you have reset it, so it might be that your problem will be fixed, or if it doesn't, you have to go to your privacy and security option, then go for location services, then scroll down and look for system services, and from here you have to look for this option which is signify locations. You have to make sure that you have enabled these settings. Once you have enabled, you just have to go back and you have to open the airdrop section, go for general, go for airdrop, and from here you have to make sure that you have selected everyone for 10 minutes. So once you have selected, you have to enable this toggle also, and now you can easily use your airdrop without any issue because it will fix all of your issues. So in this way you can easily fix if your airdrop not found in iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.